Stella McLean is so dumb. Stella McLean, I don't like her at all. She's so dumb and she's the meanest girl. I bet she plays with kid toys like a baby. She probably plays with little baby dolls, but for baby dolls. But she's a boy, and she just supposed to look like a girl, and her voice is like a girl's, and I bet she's a girl. I mean a boy. I doubt she even knows anybody who's her friend because she bought her subscribers. I bet she paid money for subscribers, and her friends are her only people that subscribe to her, and they only did that because she made her. Because she doesn't have any friends. She likes her friends too. She doesn't even have any. I was just kidding. She doesn't even have any friends, but she wishes she did. I have more friends than her, and she doesn't have, because she has none, and I have a lot because I'm better than her.